Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you some fermentation. I am going to ferment some garlic and honey, some of my habaneros, my red habaneros and amagata peppers in honey, and we'll also do an infusion of ginger and lemon in honey. I hope that you do enjoy this video. This is my first time actually doing fermentation and I am quite fascinated by it. I said, okay, let me give it a try. So I hope you enjoy this video. And if you do, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. We have some garlic. We're using honey from Biatch Barn, some lemons, some ginger. These are onions, red onions, and these are the hot peppers. I have a bowl here to put our compost in, and these are our jars that we would be using. I think what I would like to start with is with the ginger and lemons. The ginger, and I'm leaving the skin on. Recipe is so simple to do, guys. Cutting it in half. Okay. So now what we're going to do is going to use one of our jars. We're also going to use our honey. Just add this in. So the next item is going to be the garlic. I'm going to make sure that garlic is covered. Now the next item we're going to do is the peppers. Okay. And we want all that heat to one more. We got our peppers. Now we're going to dice up a cup of garlic. Now we're going to do an onion. So we're going to fill it in this jar. I'm also going to add some of my homemade thyme to this. Okay. So now we've got everything in there. And mix this all in. Guys, so you see this is now all full. Cover it. Just let that get all nice and incorporated.